Thank you.
I want to do cookies. Little cookies.
Ooh. Yum.
See how you like cookies?
Yeah.
When are we going to get little? I
Yeah.
like you get little. I want to be careful.
Be careful, Grandma.
No. I got some. And I want some cookies to you. It's not big deal.
Those are gonna be so good.
Yep. And you want to eat it real.
Is that your own recipe, Grandma?
Yep. And I got it at school.
Oh, yum.
My grandma said, "Here, I got some stuff for you, Grandma." You sweetheart.
Thank you, Grandma.
No, I Grandpa.
Oh, your grandpa. Okay, thank you.
Grandma went store.
Oh, she went to the store. Okay.
Okay, what's going on? What Grandma did? I'll make you cookies.
Yeah.
And these.
Yeah.
Come, I'll make some too.
Thank you.
I don't know what I got. Let's go to a bar. Stay here. We can play aqua.
Okay.
But it's actually hard. But we can do it. Play.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm back home. I don't have no food store. I need buy.
Well, where's Grandma?
Grandma's taking a shower.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And I make it's good. I get some drink. We don't have no drink.
It's okay. I got one.
Okay. What you have?
I got water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Because nothing always. You know what?
What? I miss Grandma. Can you get Grandma back?
Grandma,
Can you bring her back?
let me hold.
Go get her. Tell her to come in. I want to talk to her.
Okay. Grandma! Yes! Get it. I need her, okay? Yes! Hi, Grandma.
How you doing, Grandma?
Good, I take a shower.
Oh, you feel better?
Yeah.
That's
I did.
great. How's your back feeling?
What, good.
Good. I missed you, Grandma.
Listen to.
Is your leg a hurting?
Not good.
Not good.
But you can play. I watch you play Minecraft. You go play
Oh,
Minecraft.
I'm not good at no Minecraft.
I will show you.
Okay, you show me.
I could play Minecraft.
Grandma that plays Minecraft. That's something else.
What?